Let's go back to debugging my method. Pretend that my method, this invocation on line 22, is buried somewhere very deep within our program. Then also pretend that line 34 is a very, very complex algorithm. So when I hit F5, because we're pretending that this line right here is a very, very complicated algorithm, we need a little bit more information to debug this problem than what we might have by just navigating the call stack. And that information is provided to us through hovering over variables and parameters. Within the C# debugger, or really any interactive debugger that you could possibly use, if you hover over a value or a variable, you can actually see the value of that variable.